In this video, we'll give you an overview of comments in Planoly's web dashboard. Comments allow you to view and respond to Instagram comments directly in Planoly. It's especially great because it allows you to respond to your comments from a computer. If you're on Instagram, you can only respond to comments on mobile. To get started, go to the top navigation bar on your screen and click on Comments. Here is where we pull in your Instagram post. Please note, the number of posts you can access is dependent on your plan type. Each plan type has a certain number of posts you can access. At a glance, we show you the time, date, caption, and the number of likes and comments for each post. View comments by all, starred, or new. Planoly Pro Tip: you can use our starring feature for many different purposes. For instance, you can star all comments that still need a reply, or any that is a question or suggestion from a follower. From here, view all your comments on a post. You can delete or star the comment and directly respond. That's a wrap! You now have an overview of comments on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.